lesson is about exponents. Exponents is another way to write multiplication. You can write things to a certain power. In this expression, 5 to the third, 5 is called the base, and 3 is called the exponent. That means you write 5 down 3 times and multiply. 5 times 5 times 5. It does not mean 5 times 3. That's the common mistake that many people make. So remember, this exponent tells you how many times to write the base down. Then you're always multiplying. 5 times 5 times 5, or 5 to the third, is 125, not 15. Don't make the common mistake. 8 to the second means 8 times 8, so that's 64. 2 to the fifth power means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I had to write the base, which is 2, down 5 times. That's what the exponent means. Write the base down 5 times, and then you get to multiply. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times another 2 is 8, times another 2 is 16, times the very last 2 is 32. So the answer to that one is 32. Now, try these practice problems. The instructions on problems like these would say, find each value. That means you look at the base and you look at the exponent. The base is what's getting multiplied. The exponent is how many times to write it down. So how many times would I write the 6 down? 3 times. Now you do the math. 6 times 6 times 6. Do all of these problems that way, and then turn the tape back on so that you can see if you got the right answer. This is where you need to pause and get a pencil and paper and work these 6 problems. Okay, how did you do? Notice each time in each of these we looked at this number, the exponent, to see how many times to write the base down. This one's kind of funny. Since this is 8 to the first, you only write the base down once and there's really nothing to multiply. That's just how it's known as 8 to the first. 4 to the second, you write the base down twice. And then you multiply. I hope you got them all right. Now, some of the problems that you're going to see in your math book are going to have these directions. It's really important in math to understand the directions. So let's look at these directions. It says write each number using an exponent and the given base. Well, look, they give us the number. That's this first part, write each number. They give us the number they want us to use. Then it says using an exponent and the given base. They give us the base they want us to use. So we have to find the exponent. When you see these directions, you're going to take this base and figure out what exponent is missing that would make 49. What's the missing exponent? So, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 1. 7 is 7 to the first. 7 times 7 would be 49. There it is. So, 7 times 7, what exponent do I need for 7 times 7? How many times am I writing down the 7? 2. So that's the answer. This would be the answer if this was the problem in your book. They give you the 49, that's what they want it to equal. They tell you use the base of 7, you're looking for the exponent. So look at this one down here. We need the number to equal 81. We know we have to have base 3. We're looking for an exponent. So, just start with some 3's. Well, 3 to the first is 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. There it is. You could look at it like this. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 9, 81. Or you could go 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. Times 3 is 81. Either way, how many 3's do you have? You have 4 3's. So, you wrote 3 down 4 times. That's the exponent. That's what they're looking for. And this would be your answer. You wrote the number 81 using base 3 because 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. Now, here's 2 more problems written with these same directions. You try to work them out. Remember, what you're looking for is how can I write that number as 5 to the some power or 2 to the some power to equal the numbers they gave me. 5 to the what equals 25. 2 to the what equals 32. Stop the video, work those 2 problems, then turn it back on to see if you get the answers right. I hope you got 5 to the 2nd, because that equals 25, and 2 to the 5th, because that equals 32. Great news! It's time for the video homework. Remember, you need your name in the top left-hand corner, the date in the top right-hand corner, a title line that looks like mine that says Video Homework 1-2. Then you need to work those 6 problems, follow the directions, and show all of your work. Remember, all of your work. And then tomorrow you bring this video homework with you to class. You guys are awesome. I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Have a great evening.